Happy Friday, you guys. Louis says happy Friday. He can't stand it when I do these because he can't be a part of it and I can't be paying attention to him when I'm doing it. So, we did Meal Prep TV again today, Red Phoenix Meal Prep TV. And we have some delicious dal, which is Indian spiced lentils. They are amaze balls. And it's totally fueled me for my workout here in a little bit. Oh, and look, there's my Spider-Man camera holder and my guys that also like to direct me when I'm cooking. But I just want to talk about real quick, stop being meal prep's bitch, right? So find ways to keep your meal prep simple. I feel like we get overwhelmed so easily, and I do it to myself as well. But like this little lentil ditty, it took me less than 15 minutes. There's ways to do it. There's ways to meal prep to make it a lot easier. So like, for example, I will tell you kind of my little hacks with this super powered, so with spices and ingredients that are going to help rev your metabolism, keep your blood sugar in a good place, all that kind of good stuff. So using the right combination of spices is gonna help, right? Also, it's packed with fiber and protein. You can't go wrong with lentils. But you can have it as a dish, right? So we've also got our pot of rice there. But you can have it as a dish, standalone. What I do is I like to, when I do make it, add maybe half a cup to each meal. I'm getting a huge power punch of fiber and protein just by doing that, right? And we know that the more fiber you get in your body, the better, right? If you don't get enough fiber every day, your body is going to reabsorb those toxins and store more body fat for you. Isn't that nice? So we don't want that. So make sure you've got your fiber game on. So I will take my disgusting chicken breast that I'm tired of eating all the time. But if I add half a cup of these lentils that are super spiced to some chopped up chicken breast, totally changes the game, right? I have over here, just to give you a little rundown of my messy kitchen, but it was a food prep kind of afternoon, right? So I've got a pork roast in there, right? So I can do whatever I want with that, but the same thing. I can add half a cup of my lentils to that, super plain pork roast. I don't put anything in that crock pot. And no, I don't have an Instapot still, in case you're wondering. I'm a rebel like that, but nothing. There's no spices or anything. So now I can take that pork and I can season it, spice it, do whatever I want with it, just the same as you do with chicken, except I'm changing it up. Not being stuck with chicken, my glasses are off. But yeah, stop being meal prep's bitch, right? Find ways to keep it simple. Vegetables, they don't have to be fresh. Get frozen vegetables, right? They're usually frozen at their best kind of state anyhow, whereas we buy fresh vegetables, we don't cook them right away, and they start to wilt and go bad, and we're like, ooh, I better use that quick before it goes bad. Just buy frozen vegetables, keep it simple. I have a lot more of those hacks for you. Just message me, or you can click that little link there and I can help you move past some of your plateaus. All right, you guys, have a great day.